My car's a mess, but this 12-volt car vacuum cleaner will make an easy job of cleaning it up. Simply plug the power cord into your cigarette lighter. The light will turn red. Like so. So, this has made quick work of cleaning up my car. And now, cleaning it couldn't be easier. Press the button and separate the head from the filter. Put your fingers in here and pull the filter out. And you can see all the dirt is in here. Tap the filter out and you're good to start again. Perfect. Oh, and this can be used for both dry and wet applications. For example, if you want to vacuum out the mud in your vehicle, or if you're snow or anything wet. I'm going to keep this in my trunk. You should have one in your trunk.